Alright, just about to start it off. There's Iata, NIUE's best tattooist.
Do you want a coffee or not?
Nah. I'll just have a smoothie, bro. Oh, smoothie's just for show, bro.
That's what we're
Whakaala whatu mako. Welcome back. I'm here for some rest and recovery. I'm here at Bamboo Spa. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm here to get a massage. Gonna go see what's happening. Just waiting to get in. Yeah, 11 o'clock. Yeah. Hey, am I good to park out there?
Yeah, so this parking for hours.
Oh, sweet. Cool. Sorry.
That's alright.
Am I allowed to record in here? Myself? Alright.
Are you a blogger?
I'm trying to be one.
Okay.
You the owner, eh? Yeah.
You're John?
Yeah, that's me. Shucks. Never heard of Filipino massage before?
We're running for 6 years, but this branch is the recent addition. We just opened last year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just a year old.
Oh, yeah.
End of this month. Hi, Roshana. Yep. Okay.
Yeah, so Bamboo Spa's a Filipino type massage. Man, 60 bucks for 1 hour. That's the cheapest I've seen ever. Thank you, lovely. Oh, it's okay. Thank you. Woo! Amazing. Just finished my massage and I'm off home now. Manuko, the lady who massaged me was lovely. Thanks, lovely. That's lovely over there. Great. Yeah. That was amazing. Yeah, that was awesome. She was great. And thanks, Bamboo Spa. I feel $1 million now. Shucks, that was awesome. What can I say? It's awesome to get rest and recovery, eh? So I recommend it if you can afford it. 60 bucks for 60 minutes. I got the cupping as well. That's, you know, you seen those circles left on your back after a massage? That's what cupping's all about. But wow, I'm ready to go home and go sleep now. Shucks, good service. And I started going massages lately, chiropractor, physio, just to take care of my body because of all the training that I do. Sometimes, you know, when you get older, you don't recover as fast. So yeah, I might have to come back here more often. I used to go to this other one locally in Pakiranga, but I used to walk in and they weren't open, or I think they were just busy as. So I started to come this one because a friend from work recommended it. Shobna from my work recommended it to come here. So yeah, and she was right. It's bloody awesome. Yeah, cheapest in town, I think. So yeah, okay. Thanks, Bamboo Spa. Whakaolahi tō whilawea. Whakaala whatu mako. Good morning. Man, I'm out in Tauranga this morning. 7:30 in the morning. Drove all the way from Auckland to meet the one and only Niue Tattooist in the world, Iata Peautolu. He's half Niue and half Māori. He's from Hakupu. And man, hard guy to find, but I finally found him. And he's agreed to give me a tattoo. So I'm pretty excited. Just going into his house now. But yeah, we'll see. Gonna show you what it's all about. Whakaala whatu mako. Iata. It's just done the drawing. The drawing. It took maybe an hour and a half. And now Iata's just setting up his room to get the tattoo done. Or that mean. Alright, just about to start it off. There's Iata. Niue's best tattooist. Bro, what you got lined up for me, bro? What you got lined up?
Well, so I've just done a basic outline, and then I'm just gonna come back in with my other blue Sharpie, and then do some sort of final lines. But these are my guides. So we've got 3 stars on the back of his arm, which will represent Iata Peautolu. And then we've got all these other sort of elements featuring some Niue muscle, which will represent John's alofi side. And then we've got other little symbols of navigation, stars, and a few manu in there. So yep, that's our sort of basic sort of guide. Yeah, from this point forward. Yeah, it should take a few more hours.
Mean. Yo, what village you from?
Iata Peautolu.
Oh, sweet. Sweet. Just finished the karakia, the patterns. And now
Putting on the gloves, and getting ready to get into it. Whoop.
do you do your karakia before all your tattoos?
Yeah.
Mean.
Yeah, need that extra divine intervention.
Yeah. Just in case.
Yep.
Nah, yeah. Cool. Check this out. Man, he just took, look at this, what it was before, look at it now. Damn, mean different, bro. This was where it hurts the most, under here, but shit, he went hard. Almost finished, he's just gone for a toilet break. Sweet, made it. Shoo. Bro, the genius here, the master. Wow,
Well
mean.
done, my bro.
That was mean.
I'm just taking some photos. Giving it a little bit
Bro,
of
can you
key.
explain a bit about the tattoo again, man? Like, what you drew?
So, well, I've just sort of discovered that you are part of the, I don't know what you call it, the tour.
Oh,
Niue.
yeah. The Konotaki to Niue, yes.
So, yep. So over here features a kataua.
Mean.
And then I've got the sea leaf.
Oh, yep. The low C.
Yep. That wraps right around. Then I've got the lalanga.
What's the lalanga, mate?
Different parts. Like
Yep.
rarangai.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Weave,
yes.
which is our women are famous for their lalanga.
Yep.
Then I've got all these little whetū symbols here that represent navigation.
Oh, yeah.
In terms of your life,
Yeah.
and navigating through this world, I suppose.
Yeah.
Whatever path that you choose and have chosen. 3 stars again for Haukupu, Whinione Haukupu Atua. Behind his arm.
Mean.
Then I've got these Niue mako,
Yep.
which represent your alofi.
Yep.
Alofi side. And so I've got these manu here, manu for low, which is reference to your journey. Coconut, the new. Kulivals, another plant pattern.
Which one's the Kulival?
Kulivals.
Oh, yeah.
Then these sort of navigation sort of symbols as well.
Navigation symbols,
Yep. And yeah, a bit of a fishbone wraps around as well.
Wow.
So yeah, you got Hakupu and Orofi on there. So,
Choo! Low. Whakalofa atu mā kau. Just got the tattoo done. And I'm off. I'm off back to Auckland. Shit. I might go grab a feed. I'll go go catch up with one of my mates. Iata, he's a mean dude. He's awesome, he's cool, man, it was helpful. And yeah, I might go catch up with a mate who lives in Papamoa. But that's done. Damn. 8 hours went like 1 hour. Whew. Okay, to whelewea, ko ikia. Hey? Huh? Famous guy, Mr. David Lakatani. Hey bro, how are you? Looking good, bro. Anything for YouTube? This guy's one of the OG supporters. Keep your advice. Coming into the palace. Oh shit. Man's gonna make me a coffee. How are you, la?
Yeah, not bad. How was it?
Yeah, it was how you been, la?
Is it still sore?
Yeah, still like stingy. I gotta go get some Ben Panthen.
What's that?
It's like cream. I think it's for like babies.
Do you want to go to the chemist?
Nah, I'll go.
There's chemist warehouse down the road here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, do you want to go there?
Nah, I'm not good.
You sure?
Yeah. Bro, you got a nice spot, bro. Huh? Oh.
Do you want a coffee or not?
Nah. I'll just have a smoothie, bro, if you're free.
I don't know how to work the machine, bro.
Nah, all good. Shit. Oh, so are these just for show, bro?
That's why when I get to work, I'll just grab two.
Oh yeah. Oh, I have a coffee, bro. Yeah, all good. You give me some energy before I go. Whakalofa atu mā kau. Well, I'm back in Auckland now. This is the following day. Man, woke up at 3:30 yesterday. Drove to Tauranga, got the tattoo done. Visited my mate. Drove back, got home, got back to Auckland. 8:30 last night. Back to family duties. Pick up the family. Went to a farewell and a birthday dinner, which I'm happy I didn't miss out. Happy birthday, Leo. And yeah, if you're looking for a NIUE Tattooist, his name is Iata Peautolu from Tauranga. He's from Hakupu. Mean artist. It was all freehand. He came up with the designs and he customized it so it suited me. You know, Hakupu Alofi. Yeah, and that's it. Man, back to reality now. No time to relax and talk about it. It's back to work. So, yeah. Thanks, Iata. That was awesome. Man, cool guy. You know, cool process. And yeah, if you like the video, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and if you're keen for a tattoo from Niue dude. He incorporates hiapo designs, Niue pictures, Niue landmarks, whatever. You go check out his page. But whakolahi, tō whelewea.